Welcome back to the channel. My name's Ardil and today we're talking about something pretty serious. This is about security on vehicles. Vehicle theft is massively on the rise. This LEXUS RX450H Plus, a brand new vehicle. These cars and many cars out there are incredibly easy to steal nowadays. You would have seen videos on Facebook, all over YouTube and all over the place of vehicle theft happening with no noise happening, no smashed windows. Literally, thieves are walking up to your car. Within a few minutes, that vehicle is off your driveway and completely gone. Your investment, all your hard work to purchase a vehicle just like this one, completely gone. So, what can you do to keep that vehicle in your possession and stay on your driveway? So what we've added on to this particular vehicle is something called an Autowatch Ghost Immobiliser. You probably, if you're looking into security, have probably heard of this product before. It is absolutely phenomenal, only if it is installed correctly, properly and professionally. So with everything in life, it's all about what you pay for is what you get. We are not the cheapest in terms of this install. However, the way we do our install is not the same as well. Everything is completely buried. The system is really, really discreet. You literally would spend hours and hours trying to find this product. It is basically what this product does is I will be jumping in the car and actually showcasing exactly how the system works, but the way the system, in essence, as a brief explanation, is a CAN bus immobiliser. So you get in the car, which I will show you, you get in the car, press a few buttons on the vehicle, and then you're allowed to start the vehicle. Without that code, even with a factory key, this car is going absolutely nowhere. So without further ado, let's jump inside the vehicle and show you exactly how this system works. So now inside this brand new LEXUS 450H, what I'm going to be doing is showcasing exactly how the system works. So the vehicle does come with keyless entry. What that basically means is you can walk up to the vehicle without pressing the unlock button and you can get into that vehicle with a lot of ease. So you don't need to even press that button at all. You just press on the handle, it opens up and away you go, which is a great feature and I love it on my vehicles. However, it does leave you very, very prone to vehicle theft. So to protect you against that, that's why you've got to have this particular product. The way the system works is obviously I've got the key and normally you just basically put your foot on the brake and press the power button and in essence you should be away to go. However, I now can't select gear, it won't let me drive, it won't let me do anything. I'm literally just stuck here. There's no real faults coming up on the dash, but I can't engage gear. So the way the system works is exactly that. Even though I've got the factory key in my hand, the vehicle is fully immobilized until you enter a unique pin sequence, and this is between 4 to 20 button presses, and it's a complete mix of combination of different buttons that you can have. We've set something up just for demonstration purpose, which is nice and easy. However, there is a full host of stuff, and obviously this will be changed. We don't actually go through any of the buttons that are options with you, either on the phone or in person as well. So after the install, we'll then share all the details with you. It is a security product and it should be staying a secret as well. But so now you might be thinking, well, how on earth do I start my vehicle? Because we've got the factory key. The way you do it is for off the brake and you press the power button to, in essence, turn your ignition on. So as you can see there, you've got the ignition on. Now I'm going to enter my unique code. So done my unique code, as simple as that. I get two little indicators flash back at me, basically telling me that I've got my code correct. Then my foot can go on the brake and now I can go straight into gear and it's not a problem at all. So hopefully you've enjoyed today's video, but I do want to talk about one other thing before I let you guys go. There's another product that is really important and I use this myself at home. I use the Ghost myself on all my vehicles as well as I use this product at home. It's something called Theft Block. Basically, it's a little Faraday box that sits in my house and I put my keys into it. The reason I do that is because it actually limits the and it stops the key from emitting a signal, which is really important as well. This is another layer of peace of mind. Plus, I always know where my keys are, which is an added bonus. And it also got approval from my wife, which means that the box looks very nice. So they've got lots of different colors, options. So if you head over to the Theft Block website, we do have a discount code, so I'll drop all of that in the description below, but that is well worth purchasing as well. We also do them in store at our showroom as well. So if you are looking for something like that, well worth adding on to a product like Ghost, but Ghost is phenomenal. Get your vehicle secured, protect your vehicle, protect your asset, protect your investment. Thank you again for watching. I'll see you on the next one.